All right, 27.5. Now we're going to talk about blood. Right? No. So blood is a suspension. What does that mean? It's a non-perfectly mixed fluid. It's got a bunch of stuff mixed in together. So whole blood, which is blood that comes out of you, okay, is made up of different stuff. It's made of plasma, which is the liquid. Red and white blood cells and platelets are cells. These are all cells that play a different role. Red blood cells carry oxygen, white blood cells is for your immune system, and platelets are there to clot, to deal with damaged cells. As you can see, there's a chunk that's non cell, and there's a chunk that's cell. So, plasma has a lot of important things. They have clotting factors, which help the platelets, immune proteins, which help the white blood cells, proteins that stabilize blood volume, which is important, just to say the least, and things that can leave into and out of the plasma as needed. Platelets and all the other cells have different functions, okay? Bone marrow, first of all, manufactures most of your blood components. Bone marrow is the inner part of long bones. It's like a spongy, weird thing. Those of you that eat the inner parts of chicken bones, it's kind of like a spongy, almost gooey, fatty kind of substance. That's marrow. Red blood cells are about 40 to 45% of all blood cells. They transport oxygen, bring back carbon dioxide. They have no nucleus, and they contain hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the aspect of the blood cell that allows it to carry the oxygen and the carbon dioxide. White blood cells fight, right? They're the immune system. And then there's this piece. A lot of people spend a lot of time on this, and I think it's important to talk about it. We'll talk about it now. Is your protein, is your blood type? Okay. Uh, so we have a system called ABO for blood type, where it's if you have, and this all based on protein markers. Okay, these are things on your red blood cells. These are things on your red blood cells that actually will determine whether or not you have blood type A, B, or O. Now, I want you to understand these are protein markers. These are like flags, okay? And the way it works is I like one of Drake's earliest songs, "No New Friends, No New Friends, No New Friends, No New." So when you look at this, right, if you have blood type A, you can only receive from A. Well, let me say it again. Let me say it again. In fact, I'm gonna stop here. We're gonna do blood type again. We're gonna have it be a separate video. All right.